You could be sitting on some coins worth a lot of money and not even realize it. In this video, I'm going to go over a few coins that brought a lot of money that you need to keep your eyes peeled for, because it's the smallest little detail I'm going to go over that could mean the difference of a whole lot of money. But without wasting any more time, let's hop into it. So up first, we have this 1968 10-cent Roosevelt dime that sold for $48,875, and here's why. So the first thing you need to know is that this is a proof coin. Now you can see how shiny this coin is. If you look at the backdrop or the field of the coin, it almost looks like a mirror. That mirror appearance is the main differentiator between your coin being worth a few cents versus $48,875 like this coin. So now these coins will typically have a mint mark around the date. So these coins were either produced at Philadelphia, San Francisco, or Denver. San Francisco minted coins will have an S mint mark, Denver has a D, and Philadelphia coins either have a P mint mark or in this case, no mint mark. So what you need to know is that there's a coin that looks just like this that was produced at the Philadelphia Mint that is not worth a lot of money. And then you have this coin that was produced at the San Francisco Mint. So what you need to look for on this coin is that if one, it's a proof coin, as you can see the background looks like a mirror, and two, it is missing the S mint mark. Now you need to be very careful because, as I say, there are some bad people out there that will manipulate coins to make them appear to be this coin. What they'll do is they'll polish the background of the coin to make it appear to be a proof coin, because the only difference between this coin and the Philadelphia minted coin that's not worth money is the fact that it has that background of that's shiny, that is a proof coin. So if you have a 1968 10-cent Roosevelt dime that is a proof coin that has no mint mark, but it should have an S mint mark like this, you could be in for a treat because this coin sold for $48,875. Here we have a 1975 10-cent Roosevelt dime that sold for $456,000, and here's why. So the first thing you're going to notice on this coin is the toning on the coin. Now it's important to understand that toning is a naturally occurring oxidation process that will happen when the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin, causing them to look like this. So what you need to know is that toning only really matters on high graded coins like this one. Another thing to know is that this coin is not photoshopped or manipulated in any way. This is a natural look for the coin, but what they do is they take high quality photos with the perfect lighting until they get the true natural color of the toned coin. Now, when you have a toned coin in hand, unless you have the right lighting, it's going to look like this. As you can see, the coin in the graded holder is not getting the same lighting as we're used to seeing on the high res image. So long story short, the coin must be in high graded condition for the toning to matter. Now, toning only really matters again if the collector is interested in that specific type of toning. What I like to tell my subscribers is that toning will either increase or decrease the value of the coin depending on the eye appeal. Looking at this coin, it has very beautiful toning. It is a purple and gold color and it's very consistent around the coin. If your toning looks like it's damaged or if it just does not have a nice luster or eye appeal, most of the time that will decrease the value of the coin. Again, remember, it must be a high graded coin. This one was graded by PCGS at a proof 68. Again, why did this coin sell for $456,000? Well, very similar to the previous coin. This 1975 coin was produced at the San Francisco Mint, but when you look at the date there, what do you notice? There is no S mint mark, but there should be. Again, same thing as the previous coin. Watch out for the Philadelphia minted coins that have no mint mark because they look very similar to this coin outside of the fact that the background or the field of the coin looks like a mirror. So be very careful there, guys. If you have this coin, make sure you consult an expert. I would recommend getting the opinion of at least 3 different people before you sell your coin, because that could mean the difference of a lot of money down the drain if you do not get the full value of your coin, guys. So be careful there. If you thought this video was helpful, share it with a friend and subscribe for more because I'm constantly putting out videos. I'll see you in the next one.